All right, we're here at the Intercoastal trying to teach Cooper how to kayak. It's not going so well. You actually have to put the oars in the water to go. I'm trying to, oh my God, this is hilarious. Come on, Cooper. Whoops. Cooper, uh-oh. Oh, and Callum's paddleboarding. Is he done? Let him try some more. Let him try some more. Cooper, try again. Are you giving up already? Cooper, why don't you try one more time?
Paddling, Callum.
Cooper, why don't you try one more time? You're not going to try? You want to go in the car?
He wants to go sit in the car. It's cold.
Okay, I'll put you in the car and let you go warm up if you go try one more time. Come on. Just one more time. Okay, you can do it. Just try. You can do it. Just try.
Get in first.
You can do it. See, look at your brother. He's all the way out there. You can get on and paddleboard. Callum, let Cole paddleboard. So for Christmas, I got a paddleboard. So I just went. And then Carter, he's way over. He went far away to the sandbar somewhere. We have no idea where he is. He's been gone for like an hour. But he's trying to catch mullet in his cast net to go fishing with. So, oh, hey, Cooper, guess what? Emma's watching you and Emma says hi. Yeah. Say hi, Emma. So, oh, he says, Gerda, he says he did have a dream about being back in Virginia. Hey, Miss Sarah says hi too. All right, now you have to actually put the oar in the water. So we're having a problem because the current just takes him because he doesn't put the oar in the water. Oh, Callum's way out there. All right, here we go.
All right, Cole, I got it. Okay, ready?
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Okay, now put the oar. There you go. Put it in the water. Good job.
Push it back.
This side. Just
Okay.
Dig it in.
that side.
He'll figure it out.
You can do it.
You need to scoot back.
You can do it. Keep doing it.
It's like the paddleboard's like
Left and right. Left and right. Dig it in.
Pushing the wrong way. Push it. Hey, this way. Push back.
Yeah.
Push back.
Back towards you. Yep. There you go. Yeah. Back towards you and then switch sides.
Push back.
Uh-oh. Hopefully he doesn't get lost.
There you go.
Callum's out there. He's your lifeguard. He has the red, he's got the Virginia. He's got the Nationals sweatshirt on. He's got the Baywatch top on.
There you go.
His lifeguard shirt. Uh-oh, he looks like it's getting far away.
I can walk out and grab it.
It's shallow. Yeah, it's not that deep. You can't give up so fast. That's the problem. He gives up way too fast. Don't give up. Keep paddling. Cooper, you have to paddle. Oh my gosh. Paddle, Cooper. Cooper, paddle. Lord have mercy. There's usually tons of dolphins here too. So we're in the Intercoastal, and this is not the ocean. And some guy just told me he just caught 2 sharks here. I'm like, great. Just use the paddle. Cooper gives up way too easily. I don't understand. The other boys were not like that. And Callum, don't fall in either. Ooh, what was that? Oh, Lord. Just do it yourself, too. You have to help, Cooper. Oh, here comes the water. The tears. Lord. Just paddle. Oh, my goodness. Just use your paddle and dig it behind you.
Don't let go of that paddle, you're going to lose it.
Rocking back and forth is not going to help that much.
Cole, if I got to tell you one more time to stop screaming paddle, I'm going to throw you in there.
Lord. Come on, guys.
When it comes to the shore, you have to use the paddles.
You can't give up. You have to keep trying. Rocking back and forth is not going to help, and crying. Cooper, put the paddle in the water and try again. Come on.
Hey, are you listening? Try
There you go. There you go. Good job. That's exactly right. Keep going. You're doing it. Look, you're doing it. Good job. You made it. Yay. Are you going to stand up, Callum? Callum, stand back up. Stand back up. Make sure that you're even, okay? So that was good. Now come back in so Cole can go. Good job. Ooh, don't pick up gross dead things.
She's so light.
All right.
She's like manly.
Good job, Cooper. So, Cooper,
No, let me stop having.
how was your first time kayaking, Cooper?
I think you did great.
You did good. Do you have a comment?
He wants to see it.
People want to know. They're asking questions. Uh-oh. What happened?
I accidentally grabbed it, so he found
Oh, you accidentally grabbed it.
You don't look very wet.
Don't.
Oh, stop it. You guys quit it. Welcome to Crazy Town.
Mom, do you have TikTok?
I don't have TikTok now.
She is.
Yeah.
You want everyone to see you acting like that?
Now they see. Stop fighting. Quit it.
You are?
Go away. Stop it, Callum. Go away.
You know,
You're not going to use my paddleboard anymore. Stop fighting and stop hitting me or pushing me.
Oh,
That's my new oar. Do not fight with it. Or whatever.
I'm using this one.
No, you're going on the paddleboard. He needs that oar. That's actually for the kayak. Now stop it.
No, Dad.
Oh, Lord.
This is the second time I've stolen.
Oh, Cole, you can go in the kayak. Oh, Lord, have mercy.
No, he's
I can't take all this damn crying. Why do boys cry so much and whine and fight? Yeah, Lisa, I think you're right. His face says it all. So, Cooper, how did it go? How was your first time kayaking? What are you doing? How was your first time? Stop. What is that? I've never seen you do that before. Listen.
Dad.
Hey, everybody wants to know how it was. Your Uncle John wants to know. Uncle Jonathan wants to know, how was your first time kayaking? What?
I don't know.
Why don't you know? Did you have fun? Were you scared?
Idiot.
You're scared a little bit? Can you talk louder? Are you going to do it again? What? Maybe?
Dad, come
All
back
right.
in.
Poor Scott. He never gets... Oh, he's going to fall. Is that wobbly? Poor Scott never gets to do anything. Do you want a kayak or do you want a paddleboard? Oh, this is your first time paddleboarding, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it's going to be Cole's first time paddleboarding. You taking a video, Cooper?
Yeah, fish.
Did it just jump? All right, Cole. Oh, you want help?
Are you okay?
Todd says, Todd's watching. Hi, Todd. Uncle Jack. All right, so you want to get on your knees or you just want to step on first? All right, let's flip it around. Just put your hands down lower then. Put your hands down lower. Where's Carter at? He's been gone forever.
Yeah, you know how to find him?
Oh, there he... No, that's definitely not Carter.
All right, you ready?
All right, stay in the middle and keep your balance, okay? Keep your legs spread apart. What?
Just stay on your knees. Don't go far. All right.
But once you get going, it's fine, okay? Just keep your balance. And you have to paddle on both sides, left and right.
Yeah, you gotta switch it back and forth.
Maybe take your shoes off. It's better to do no shoes. You want to toss your shoes here or put them on the front?
Turn the paddle around, bud. Turn. Yeah, like that. Like that.
You want me to take your shoes for you?
There.
It's getting kind of chilly. The sun's going down. No, I need his shoes. It's not good to go on with shoes.
Mom,
Yeah?
there's a baby on the...
You're not playing games. We're here to be outside with nature.
All right, you ready?
That's what I could.
It's our first day out of quarantine. Yesterday we were all done, so we had to get out of this house.
Like this?
No, other way. Yeah.
Yeah, Todd, me and Lisa want to see you on that paddleboard, Todd. Hi, Jack. Todd says, hey, Felicia. All right, there you go. Keep your feet wide.
Oh boy.
Yep.
Just when you push light until you get used to it.
Squeeze your butt cheeks. That helps. For balance, if you need help with
Keep your
balance.
Or bend your knees.
Yeah, don't be so like locked, not so tight. There you go. How you doing, Callum? Just relaxing, chillaxing?
What? You're not messing with them now, no.
Yeah, do not, this is not bumper boats.
There's a whole gigantic river. You don't have to be 5 feet apart.
Cole, what's wrong? He's not messing with you. Just hit him with your oar.
Watch this. Going through pipes, so storm clouds, not electric.
You're doing good, Cole, but you need to, there you go, turn to the left. Get away from the shore, it's getting shallow. There you go. Have you guys seen any dolphins? I haven't seen any. It's the first time ever. Because it's getting chilly. Oh, I didn't even see that. Uh-oh. You're doing good, Cole. Lisa, when you and Todd come down, we'll get Todd on the paddleboard. Come on, Callum. He's way out there. Oh, there you go, Cole. Uh-oh. Now, hold on, you guys. Stay put. There's a big boat coming too fast. He's not supposed to be going that fast. Hold on tight. Yeah, get on your knees. That's going way too fast. What a jerk. I hate when they do that. There's going to be some big waves coming. Well, yeah, here it comes. Oh, yeah, just come in. Here comes the waves. Are you done? Yeah. It's fine right here. Are you done?
Yeah.
Why? Why don't you like paddleboarding?
Dad, can I have my shoes? Dad, can I have my shoes?
No, not sideways. Not sideways, it'll knock you.
Can I have my shoes?
Well, the weight, it's not too bad though. He's pretty far away. Turn it backwards or frontwards, not sideways, Callum. Oh, here it comes. Be careful. There you go. Uh-oh. Callum's a lot more daring than I thought, Cole. All right, I think we're gonna head in. It's getting chilly. There you go, Callum. Pick it up. Callum's going fast now. Are you all done, Cole?
I'm gonna go kayaking now.
All right.
I'm kayaking.
All right. Well, good job. Time to go.
Nope.
Cooper, say see you later.
Hold that for me, please.
All right, Callum, you coming in? Yeah.
Oh, you want?
All right, I think it's time.
We gotta find out where Carter is. Alright, well, Down's coming
Lisa's
in.
like, I'd rather be on the paddleboard than the kayak. I'd be stuck out in the middle of the river. There's sandbars all over, so you wouldn't be too stuck. Plus, it's not too deep. It's pretty shallow. I'd give you a life jacket, Lisa. All right, well, we're going to head in. All right. So see you later. It's getting chilly here. I know it's not Ohio, or Virginia, but the sun's going down soon. Say bye-bye, Cooper. Cooper, say bye-bye. Cole, say see you later.